Hello students, today we are going to see IGCSE Board Mathematics of grade 7. Okay, so we'll start with the first topic, that is integer. Okay, so before going to that, you should know what is integer mean. Okay, now before that, you have to know about certain numbers. First number is natural number. Okay, and what is natural number is, it starts from one student. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes on. So why they are called as natural number? Because as it is starting from, we do the natural counting from one student. So that is why we start with natural number. Second one is whole number. Now what does whole number mean? A number start from 0, which includes 0. That is whole number student. The next one is integer. That is the main topic. Now what does integer mean? It includes negative as well as the positive number as well as 0 student. Now for example, I'll show with a number line. This is our number line. In this 0, after 0 we consider that it is a positive numbers. Before 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And one more thing student, before this one is increasing. And this one is decreasing. Why it is decreasing? Because that is negative numbers. We know that negative numbers are lesser than positive numbers and it is less than 0 also. So this is increasing, this is decreasing. So always remember, integer consists of negative number, 0 and positive number. In our lecture, we are going to start with the addition and subtraction of integers. What we are going to do. Okay. So we'll start with that. Fine. Now how we will do it? I'll show the addition and subtraction of the integer by using a number line. Now first equation, but before going to the number line, I'll give certain rules for that. If it is minus plus, we subtract and put the sign of greater number. We put the sign of greater number. This happens even for plus minus or minus plus. This is the first rule student. Second one, when it is minus minus. When it is minus minus, we add and put the sign of negative. Okay? Put the sign of negative student. Okay? Now fine. Now we'll see. Now we are going to see with an example. Even I'll tell you how to do with number lines. Okay? We'll do one by one. So this is the rule. Please note down student. Without this, integer is impossible student. You have to remember it. Okay? Now the second one. How we will do it? See. We'll see one number. Minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 4. There's a rule. What it is a rule? When it is minus plus, we subtract it. What is 5 minus 4? The answer is 1. And we have to put the sign of greater number. Which is the greater number here? Minus 5. So minus is the greater sign of the greater number. So I'll put negative. Now we'll see using a number line student. Now how we will do it? Minus 5. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Now, I am standing on minus 5 because that's the starting number, and plus 4. Plus 4 means it is increasing. So, you will move towards the right. So, what it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4. And where we reached? Minus 1 student. So, the answer is minus 1. Now, we'll see the next one. What it is? 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. So how we will do it? I am going to take a number line, again same thing. This is plus, this is minus. We have to subtract it. We'll subtract what it will get. You will get 2 and we have to put the sign of greater number. Now which is the greater here? 8 or 6? 8 is greater, student. So I'll put the sign of great number, that is 8. We'll put minus. Okay. Now I will represent this in the number line. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Now, next part. I am standing on 8. How many we have to subtract? Minus 8. And when it is minus, we move towards the left. Because it's a decreasing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we reached? Minus 2. So I wrote the minus 2 answer. So this is the way you have to do, student. Now we'll see the next one. That is when both the answers are negative. That is both the numbers are negative, student. I will say that minus 4, minus 3. You will add it and you will put the sign of negative. Now I will show that in the number line. Now how we will do it? See. Minus 4, minus 3. Now after that what we can do is that I am standing on minus 4. I'll just write here from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now I am standing on minus 4. Okay. And minus 3. Minus 3 means we have to move towards this direction. So again 1, 2, 3. And where we reached? Minus 7. Did we get the answer like that? So you can use number line, student, but that is only limited one. If it is a big number, it's difficult to use the number line. So that is why you have to remember the rules for integers. This is the way you can do addition and subtraction. Now there is other types of sums. I will tell you that one. Okay. I hope you all understood the concepts. Concepts are very clear, student. You should be very apt in with the clearance of concept. Okay. Now we'll see when certain questions are like this. 5 minus minus 2 is equal to what? When you solve this, you have to simplify the equation. What we have to do? We have to make it simple. How we will make it? Always remember, when both the sign comes simultaneously, means aside, means like minus minus. So that time it will become plus, because minus into minus, this is actually into. This is a multiplication. Minus into minus, it will give plus, student. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This is the way you have to do. We'll see the second part. 6, okay, plus minus 3. Now how we will do it? We have to simplify it. Now when it is minus minus, it gives plus. But what about this? Plus minus or minus plus, both will give negative only, students. So minus only. So 6 minus 3 is equal to. This is the complicated one, student. I'll tell the other one where both the sides are negative. Like I'm telling minus 4 minus minus 2. Now minus minus, first you solve this part. Minus 4 will write as it is. Minus minus will become plus 2. So the answer will be what? Minus 4 plus 2. Now we have to apply the simple rule of integers. What is it? You have to subtract it, because minus plus. Then you have to put subtract it. You will get answer 2. Now what is the sign? Which is the greater here? 4 is greater number. So you have to put the sign of 4. What is the sign? Minus. So this is the way you have to solve the integers, student. Okay. This is all about addition and subtraction. Now we'll see about the multiplications. Okay. Multiplication and division. It's very simple one. Multiplication and division is Very simple. Okay. Now what is the multiplication and division is? Now see, when you multiply -4 into -3, this minus will cut because they will get cancelled. So 4 into 3, you simply write 12. Minus into minus will be positive. So that is why you got the answer as 12 only. Now when we say, when it is a negative number, 1 is a negative, -3. So 4 into -3. First multiply. 4 into 3 is what? 12. And put the sign of negative because one of the number is negative. Same thing we are going to do in division also. 12 divided by -3. One number is negative, one number is positive. So the answer will be negative, student. 12 divided by 3 will be 4. So the answer is -4. Once again I repeat, when both the numbers have negative sign, the answer will come positive because that get cancelled. If one of the number is negative, you will get the answer as negative only. There is no change in that. It happens even in the division also. -12 divided by -3, both negative will get cancelled. The minus will cut, only 12 divided by 3, the answer will be 4. This is all about integer, student. If you understood this thing, you will solve any of the questions. It can be anything. But just remember that when they say subtraction, subtract from this. So you have to remember what is the number. Like, for example, I am telling subtract 4 from -4. This is a big question. How we will do this? Most of the students prefer write 4 minus -4. No, this is wrong. It's a wrong one. Why? Because they are telling subtract 4 from -4. So I'll take -4 first. Then you have to subtract. So what it will be? -16. This is usually students make mistake in that. So this is all about integer, student. I hope you understood the concept, students. We'll do topic wise. After that, we'll put the end of the unit review. That is, this unit consists of integers, factors, and square root, squares. So after we finish it out, after that we'll put an end of unit review where we will solve all the type of questions, students. Okay, this is all about integer. If you have any doubt regarding this topic or any other mathematics topic, you can put it in the comment. I will give you a reply of your doubt. Okay, I hope you like the video. It is a simple and a short video, and please subscribe my channel if you want to move further with my videos. Okay, thank you, students, for watching my video.